Jerry Terrell. I'm the chief wrench at My Computer Mechanic. We're out of Castle Rock, Colorado. And one of the things that I feel is that the response point system from Microsoft is just a fabulous complement to Small Business Server, and it's a wonderful product to be able to put into small businesses. And NGT just complements the response point system, so we're able to offer a complete end-to-end digital solution for our customers, and it just really makes it a complete sale. The other thing that's really great is that NGT only works with partners, so we're not competing against a direct sales force. We're not having to go in and justify, well, why should I deal with you as opposed to dealing with the direct folks. They support us tremendously just in the short amount of time that they've made themselves available to us, aware of who we are. They've really come out and just done a tremendous amount of training with us, and really made us feel really comfortable about dealing with them and who they are and the products that they have. So we're real excited to go out and sell Response Point, and then couple that with selling NGT as their telephone provider.